Well, today I'm making some pasta, yeah, with ground beef and this here vegetable. And this spot right over here. It's time for me to finish up this pickle, to add in the vegetable and the seasoning. Just like that. And then I'm going to add in the ground beef. It's time to add in the pasta and the sauce and take it home. Pasta is in. Damn, this is a lot. Who wants some? In a little bit of olive oil. Some sheen. Look at that. Look at that. Alright, so this is my pasta with ground beef. Alright. Yep. It's ready?